Tune your ears, mastering main ideas and supporting details in English. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of active listening. Specifically, we'll focus on the technique of listening for main ideas and supporting details. This method is essential for understanding English conversations, lectures, interviews, and more, and it can dramatically improve your language skills. Active listening is the process of fully engaging with a speaker, not just by hearing their words, but by understanding their message. It involves paying close attention to the conversation, taking mental notes, and analyzing the information presented. For English learners, active listening can be a powerful tool in understanding the language in all its complexity and nuance. In every conversation or speech, there is a main idea, the most important point that the speaker wants to convey. All other points or supporting details are used to explain, elaborate, or reinforce this main idea. For instance, if someone is talking about their favorite vacation spot, the main idea might be, "I love this place because it's so relaxing," and the supporting details could be about the beautiful beach, the pleasant weather, or the friendly locals. The first step to identify the main ideas when listening to English is prediction. Try to predict what the conversation or speech will be about based on the context or any introductory remarks. Another technique is to listen for signposting language. Speakers often use phrases like, "Most importantly, the key point here is," or "in conclusion," to emphasize their main points. Finally, remember that the main idea is often repeated or rephrased several times throughout the conversation. So, keep your ears open for any recurring themes or points. Just as important as the main ideas are the supporting details. These give more information, provide examples, or elaborate on the main ideas. One technique to spot them is to listen for detail language. Phrases like, for example, "in addition," "also," and "specifically," often signal supporting details. Moreover, supporting details often come in the form of anecdotes, statistics, or examples, so be alert for such information. Now that you know the theory, let's talk about how you can put it into practice. Start by listening to English audio resources such as podcasts, news reports, or audiobooks. As you listen, take notes of the main ideas and supporting details. Then, try to summarize what you heard, explaining the main idea and the details that support it. Remember, practice is key. The more you exercise your active listening skills, the better you'll become at spotting the main ideas and supporting details in English. That wraps up our discussion on active listening and identifying main ideas and supporting details. I hope this lesson helps you to listen more effectively and gain a deeper understanding of spoken English. Remember, it's a skill that takes time and practice, so don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get it right away. Keep listening, keep practicing, and soon you'll see the results. Until next time, happy learning!